Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरं दश्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. నందగోపతనే అనే సందేశం. సో కృష్ణ ఈజ్ ఈశ్వర, he is our father, he is our well-wisher. Mahaprabhu says, Tuma bina bandhu ara. Other than you, who is there? Any relative is there than you? Do you have anyone more dear than me? Lord himself saying, I am aham bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suhrudam sarvabhutanam jnatva mam shanti mruchyati. I am most well-wisher, most close, most dear friend for you. This nobody else, but actually Lord is the closest well-wisher. One possibly get. Taking shelter means you consider his pleasure as your pleasure. Understand? His happy is your happy. That is called taking shelter of the Lord. Do you want more explanation? Am I looking for Krishna's pleasure or my sense pleasure? If I am looking for my sense pleasure, I am not surrendered. Time is pushing everybody. A devotee is also pushed by time? No, never. Do you understand? Remember that. Devotee is not pushed by time. Rather, he is so absorbed in service. Now, at 6 o'clock is serving. 8 o'clock he is serving. 12 o'clock he is serving. This moment he has to serve. Next moment he has to serve. What is there to pushing? Though he follows time, he lives in eternal time. What is eternal time? He lives moment by moment. He is serving. This moment he is serving. He is serving Krishna. Next moment he is serving Krishna. Future he is serving Krishna. For him it does not make how much time it passes. He gains a lot of service. Time is encouraging. Day by day he is increasing his service attitude. Time enhances his enthusiasm to serve. Time becomes an enhancer rather than threatening or pushing a person. The process of disentanglement is to recognize the loving Lord and engage in his loving service. So, it is mentioned by Srila Prabhupada, man must be intelligent. You realize the importance of human life and refuse to act like animals. A human being should realize the importance of the life. He never taught something like something wrong going on it. In this way, man is not meant for quarreling like cats and dogs. Why there are quarrels? Why should they quarrel? Everyone is thinking they are great. Self-interest, no common center. Because we are thinking there are different things. So we are quarreling. Why do quarreling? We have differences. There is no unity. We are not individual. We have differences. Why men are quarreling? They are not seeing the common source. They are not having the common father, Krishna. They are not understanding that they are brothers. Animals cannot understand higher reality. Cats and dogs cannot understand higher reality. Last 10 years, there are so many calamities like terrorism, bomb blasts, etc. Last 10 years are more than last 100 years. You can imagine how important, how vital it is. The fundamental principle, we are one family. So these principles are very important. These are not optional, study or not. Nowadays, studying Bhagavad Gita on Sundays, that is your own personal interest. There are no regular courses. So, in Sanatana Dharma, it is very important topic. To put in a nutshell, Dharma means which is constant companion of particular object or thing. Like Srila Prabhupada is giving, liquidity is dharma of the water, sweetness of the dharma of the sugar. Similarly, service is the dharma of the living entity. So Srila Prabhupada established that everyone is serving somebody. Many times parents say, what do you think about the society? What they think about us? If you do like this, that means they are serving society. Whoever interest we consider, we are serving them. Sometimes mother says, what are you thinking? Your father will not be happy. That means she is serving her husband. Whoever interest we consider, we are serving. Somebody or other's interest we consider. Of course, we are selfish. We consider our interest. And because of relating to somebody, their interest, my father will not be happy. My mother will not be happy. Society will not be happy. Why? We are feeling obliged to them. Why we consider somebody's interest? We feel obliged to them. Dronacharya was fighting on behalf of Kauravas because they thought they fed up. They consider the interest of Duryodhana. They think it is their responsibility. The point is, whomever we feel indebted, their interest we consider. So it is important statement. So why do we serve particular person? We feel that they are doing something, so we have to do something in return. So here we need to understand Krishna is the source of everyone, and is that everyone is doing by the inspiration of Krishna. Whatever they are doing, of course, somebody did something. We should not be happy with the superficial ways. We should go more deep. We identify the root cause. Who is the root cause for my food? Who is the root cause for whatever facilities we have? Who is the root cause of sun? Who is the root cause of moon? Who is the root cause of air? Who is the root cause of water? Technology means doing without God. This is technology. The more we can do without God, the more we advance. That is a point. But actually, they can't avoid God. They can only cover God. Suppose water is there. Water they are getting. Suppose they are putting one tap, then pumping with pump, then supplying you. What you call in our toilet? Like so many. And then you open the tap. Just see, previously we have to go long way and bring water. Just see running water. They said that is one of the opulence. Running water making us go to hell. Why? Reality is covered by the tap. Water is given by God. Otherwise, how can we have water? In the first place, we have tap only, water only. Water is given by the God. What we do? We are captured by this. We gave you water. Who gave you water? This is that we forget. I stop this episode here. I will continue next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरे हरे बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे